Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can connect your Shopify store to Etsy. So let's get started. First of all, open Google tab and then search for export your store. Here we are going to use an automatic channel to link both the stores. So export your store is an excellent option. For that, we will click on the Start Free Trial button and then scroll down and click Next. After that, click on Connect Your Main Store button and then select on Shopify. Now enter your store link and click on the Connect button. And after that, install the app. Then click on the Next button. Now click on the Connect Syncing Store button. And now you have to select Etsy. So after selecting Etsy, scroll down and click on Grant Access. And now you see the connection. So that's how you will connect your Shopify store to Etsy. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.